What's boppin', Jimbos? Welcome back to the channel. Was that a sled? Nice. We're here in Santa's shed. We got an early gift from Santa here. We'll meet him in a second. What'd you get? Oh, wait. What? You're Santa. That's crazy, man. Oh, okay. New cart coming soon to H&B, by the way.
New charge pipe.
These look like fucking zebras. So for the Beamer Sickle, we got some new charge pipes from, what are they?
That's from VRSF.
Same brand as the downpipe. We're gonna take it out first. Usual steps, little windy, I'm sorry. I can't believe that works, dude.
I don't have any codes or nothing.
It's a mounting bolt.
Yeah, for the intake and this.
And then we gotta get this off too. You loosen it? Nice. Cool. So this is gonna go and then come out, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. But now we gotta take the intake hose off. Inlet pipe. And we got that gloves on.
I'll disconnect this down here from the intake. There's a...
That one?
Yeah. Oh my boy. That was pretty. You're better at this one.
These new cars are fucking spaghettis. Mine and his. So like what scares me about like taking my engine out if I ever do.
There's a C-clamp.
It literally like bolts on your actuator. That's your actuator right there. Right by your turbo outlet. Mine's on like the other side.
Is that a turbo?
What the hell? Do they make this like, cause this is plastic, remember mine's metal.
Yeah, the cool side of my turbo. This is the charge pipe right here.
Okay, so we're gonna have to now take that off. We should probably loosen this though, right? So everything's open now. Look at that, man. Cars are cool and stuff.
One of the coolant. Alright, there we go.
B58! It was just out of the way, right? We don't have to pop it, yeah.
Yeah, no. I'm gonna try and pop that guy off.
That thing right there, yeah. Oh, whoa. Do you guys see that? So we're gonna undo these bolts. Looks like a T30.
I'm trying to get this under the
thingy. The pick under the thingy.
Yeah, under the same one that's down there. My clamp's a little fucked because this one won't stay open, so I have to hold this one open with my finger right here and then get the other one underneath.
Right there, boys. You can barely see that shit, but it's literally under the inlet. It's the outlet where the charge pipe goes.
So before we take it out, there's two more.
Oh, we forgot about these. Yeah,
right
this should be easy though, right?
Yeah,
boom.
One.
And it goes that way. There you go. All right. Just twist out. Here you got it. There you go. Got that side out. Let's go. Now we just need to fish it out. Is all. I think you gotta go that way, yeah. There you go.
Voila. So that's the start charge pipe.
Well, let's get to reinstalling. Do we reuse this?
Yeah.
Yeah, huh. Cool. Oh, and this one too?
Yeah. That's nuts. Size differences.
Before puberty,
right.
After puberty.
So we gotta.
He's still here though.
We gotta install these boys on here.
Okay, so we have to.
That's just a hand crank that.
Are you sure?
I already broke it. That's why it's pretty loose.
Cool. Okay, and then we gotta torque that one off. BMW! So it comes with a different bolt from the kit. We got everything going, and we just gotta put this together too, right? This stuff. And now this is the new,
Pretty sure we just take off this.
Only that? So we're gonna try to get this off the stock one. So it looks like that's gonna go right here. All right, so we stuck this under there and pried her gently on the thick part, you know, so you don't crack any plastic. And now she's off. So we're gonna have to get that and this on the new one right here. That goes there.
Yeah. All right, let's just see if this fits.
Yeah. Test mock up. See if it goes on nice. You need to twist it a little bit. There you go. See if it pops in. How does it feel?
Not bad.
But do you think that's airtight? What would make it airtight though? Nothing.
Yeah. Well, actually, no. We have to move this seal. I forgot this seal right there.
Oh, okay. It's in there. There you go.
All right. Which way to go in?
I took it out just like this. We're gonna slide on the first part. You saw I put the grommet in there, so we're all good. Locks real nice.
Just tighten it down a little bit.
And then we're gonna slide in the new one right after that. So, and it's all ready, right? It's pretty easy. Boomity body. Okay, hear that click, baby. Yeah, it looks sturdy. So we just got the, look at that, baby. We just got that in, looks real tight. So now he's just tightening that, and then all we got is the
top of the charge pipe.
Top. Yeah, you don't have to tighten that all the way down. You can keep it loose, just so we can get that into good positioning. Squeezy that in until we get the holes aligned. Yeah, that's a good idea. Now it's almost there. There you go. It just needs to go more now. There you go, bro. Little up, little up. Yeah. Giggity. Good shit, brother. Let's get that flat.
Down.
Yeah, looking good. I might as well get these in there.
Right, the smaller one goes.
Yeah.
That guy.
Boom. You can see where the clip is. Just tighten these bolts, and then we're gonna tighten these. So, and then we'll show you the aftermath. So we're just tightening on this silicone hoe. As you can see, it's pretty tight spot to do. It's pretty annoying.
Yeah, I just removed this piece so I can get a little more. Slowly but surely.
You want to have a little bit of space here. You want to make sure, because the nipple's right here, and that's where you really want it. You know, basically done. Just tighten up the last stuff.
That's pretty tight.
Should we turn it on like that?
No.
Yeah, that's a good point. I have the map sensors right there. Let's fix.
Let's plug in everything else.
Cool. That.
Okay.
What else? Where does this go?
This guy right here, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So boom.
That in
And
there.
then that's also the intake.
And this.
Oh no, that's the turbo elbow, right?
This. Oh wait, we need the.
Yeah, clip. Strapping that thing on. So elbow in.
There we go. Back onto.
Just boom. And then clip it. Get that clip in there. Very nice.
Here, plug this guy back in.
Yeah, you can get that towel out. Unless you want a shredded towel go out your exhaust. It'd be sick, dude.
Okay.
Because your catalyst would literally just chop it up. No, that'd get stuck in the turbo. That'd be probably really bad.
Back in here.
Ooh.
Oh wait, this one right here. Oh wait, let's put it underneath this. Right there. Now, this clip goes back in here as well.
Oh yeah.
Don't forget that. Right.
Put
There. Sweet. Now we can work on
Put
putting
the intake on. You do that first?
Yeah.
Dope. Getting the succulent tube in there. Good job, Jilly. Jilly Jake. It's in. So we're strapping the intock. This goes first. Then this Billy is gonna go. Ooh, ooh. So excited. Fucking go like this. There you go. That's better.
right there.
Yeah.
You wanna put this piece on?
Sure. Ooh. Perfect. And we can start her up. Where'd the math go? Where'd the math sensor go? Oh my god, we lost it. Oh, there it is.
Squiggle that boy on there.
Yeah, squiggle it. Ooh. Wait, let me focus. Go. Ooh. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
I believe so. Let's see.
Alright.
Let's try it. Give her a good start, my guy. But we're gonna make sure we don't got any leaky boys. And then we're guten Tagen. I'm stupid. Yeah? We're good? Rev it a little bit. Let's hear it. Yeet skeet. Alrighty boys. And she's all good. All installed new Charge Pepe Maximum Boost IA. That's been it for that one. Close. Got the stock box. This is the old charge pipe. ASO. Thanks for watching. It's been a nice one. We might see you later. We might not. We'll see. Goodbye.